You ready?
Action!
Hi everyone, and welcome to Mauritius. Beautiful, beachy Mauritius. And it's really good news because I really can actually welcome you guys now, because from the 15th of July, you guys can actually come and stay in one of the luxury resorts.
Yeah.
Just if you've got your vaccination. And you can come and stay and enjoy the resort. You just can't go out to Mauritius. But even better news, on the 1st of October, if you're vaccinated, Mauritius...
You can come! Stop planning your tickets, it's only 3.5 months away.
Start getting ready, because we've been out there, we've been finding things, so yeah, we're really psyched that you guys are going to be coming here.
Yeah, you can do everything. Where do you start? Where do you go to? Obviously Perry Bear.
Obviously Perry Bay, you're going to hit
Beaches.
the beach, get your relax on. You know, it is starting to get a bit wintry in the north there.
Fruit foods.
Wherever you're coming from, just get your relax on. And then head out. We found so many places, like that guy at Poster Flack with that fish, or go stand on the mountaintop at Kongama. I mean, wow. Laura,
Anything
get
you
the
want.
selfie with the circle. You don't have to Photoshop yourself in. But
All of that.
We're going to keep looking. We're going to keep going to places. We're going to keep finding places until you get here and come and say hi. So, everyone,
Coming to join you.
from me and Riki, and we just wanted to give you a quick update. You guys can come. We are so excited. It's like an early Christmas present, 1st of October. Get here. We are so excited. We'll see you there. Bye till October.